Hey there. I was going to give you a sneak peek at what we were going to be developing next. However, my battery on my laptop decided to crap itself. I'll just let you know what we'll be doing in the upcoming episodes. Starting tomorrow, we're going to look at developing a shopping list essentially. Something which is by itself could be done in a day. And when I say a day, we're talking depending on functionality, you want to put in there and how many features you want to have or not have, etc. I want to make this also so that it can be used by, or can be, everyone, so a beginner can learn something from this. So what we will start with is a program that will just have the basic functionality first, like an edit box, like what do you want to buy, a list box that the items go into, and then in the subsequent weeks we can add in we may add in, let's say, reading and writing the shopping list to file. We could use a database as well, perhaps. We could look at storing the information into a cloud. It will be done with FireMonkey because if we were to wanted to use the application and we want to be able to share the information with others in our family, then being able to, let's say for them to run it on their phones would be a nice thing to do. So for that reason, as I said, FireMonkey will be used. If you did want to use the VCL, however, that would also work. The code for the entire project will go up onto GitHub, so you will be able to access any and all of the code. Also, what was I going? Other things we could add into the program could be things like to be able to mention the shop, you can get it from, and the price of the item, in said shop. We could even put in, let's say, a photo of the item in the shop. So invariably my daughter, for instance, will send me a photo of something I need to get from the chemist, and so I get the right thing, I get a photo of it. So over the weeks, even printing functionality, the person, let's say my wife, may like a sheet of paper rather than look at a phone. So I'm not saying she does, but the idea being is that over the week, functionality will be added to the application. It will grow to whatever it becomes. Like I said, or like I will say, that shopping lists are probably a dime a dozen, but I think it's probably a good starting point for people wanting to learn how to use Delphi. Not get them overwhelmed with something like, let's say, I don't know, a CAD type application or something, and that they can see something that happens to be growing, over time, and something that they may want to use for themselves. So that's where we're going. If there's anything that you'd like to, get added into the application, let us know. I'd be more than interested to hear your thoughts. For example, we could do internationalization as well. So there are some of the ideas that I've been playing around with in my head. It's definitely going to be a shopping list. At the moment, it's just a grey canvas with a shopping list heading. And that's about it for the moment. And where it goes tomorrow, well, that's just the start. And from there, it's all up to me and you. So let's see where the shopping cart takes us. Thank you. Till then, bye.